This morning we're gonna get started on the EVO 4. Camilo's gonna get this thing torn down. We're gonna get going on the bodywork. So I see he's out there lifting the car right now. So let's go see what's going on. Oh, let's open the trunk. You wanna open the trunk?
Oh, these are broken. Both.
Are you ready to start working on the EVO?
Of course.
Oh, the bumper is off.
Yeah, it was the screw in the top.
The rear body's really clean. Christian's got the bumper apart. Yes, sir. Got the carbon lip off. Oh, this music though. What you think, Master Carlos? This is one of the last bumpers in the world. We gotta do it perfect.
We gotta
Best
do
way
what
to
we
do.
need to
Best way to do it. Primer.
It's so pretty. I didn't even catch these before. Checking these lower control arms. Looking good. The whole underside of this car is so clean. I don't know how people in Japan manage to keep these 90 cars in such good shape. You look at like 50%, maybe even more of the 90s cars in America and they're trashed. Everything's all new in here. Uh-huh. Hot dog with mustard?
Huh?
Hot dog with mustard?
Sí.
There's no problems at MK Auto Body, only solutions. Ooh, that brittle old Japanese duct tape.
Mm-hmm.
The handle?
Yeah.
That one seemed a little easier to take out than the EVO 8 and 9, right?
I'm gonna remove the seals.
Look at that, huh? Nice and clean, one shot. Oh yeah.
Ready for paint.
Ready for paint. I feel like when this type of music is on in the background, the shit is about to get real.
Hello!
Hello! Jose's over here working on the moldings. Christian's stripping the bumpers down. We got the rocker moldings waiting. The rear spoiler. Gonna get these stripped down next. Everything's gonna get in primer today. Good.
That way when we paint inside here, nothing is gonna touch here.
Quarter trim, ready for primer.
Now everything is gonna get paint nice.
Where's the hole for the connector?
I just make it bigger, that way the connector can go through here. Just a little.
Just
I'm
so
gonna
that-
paint it inside, clean it really nice. That way it's gonna be all good.
We got this one out here in the sun baking. All repaired, we're primed.
The reason why I'm doing this is it wasn't dented, but it looks wavy. So when I block it, the surface is more smooth. So when I prime it, it will be more straight. You see here, it's getting here, here, here. And you see it's nothing here, it's because here is high spots. All this is high spots. So I'm trying to smooth everything. This is a dent. Right here is a dent. So I got put filler, send a little bit and put filler over. So it's this one too.
It's got the rockers stripped, ready for primer.
All this was filled the BONDO. See how thick it is? It was thicker over here. The damage, it was over here. So this pushed this. That's what happened. But I took a lot of BONDO from here. Bring the metal from outside, string on the metal, take all this, strain it, go the back in, and then do a little bit of filler. It's like all this edge, it was made out of BONDO. So they not even pull the metal out.
They just filled it.
They just filled it. It was like sticking out like right here. It was going all around. See how much BONDO is?
Oh yeah, the metal's all
Ridiculous. It's like a 1/4 inch out of BONDO. Look.
He wasn't kidding when he said it was wavy. Camera's covered in BONDO.
Yeah. It's up there. There's BONDO under here too. So I gotta bring the bumper and fit it again. Well, the doors they all set, nice and blocked. Little dings. This little one, you see how little I put? Just a typo.
Well, that's it for today. We got a lot of work done on this car today. So the passenger side of the car was stripped. The bumpers were taken off, rocker moldings, door handles, everything. Camilo started the bodywork, started sanding down, make sure everything's nice and flat. He was blocking the car, make sure it's not wavy. Right now we're just removing the last of the BONDO that's on the quarter panel. And then we're gonna start the driver's side of the car on Monday. So all the plastics, the moldings, everything have been stripped and primed. Those are ready for paint. Then we'll have the car just about ready for the spray booth on Tuesday. So I will see you guys on Monday, and we'll continue this bodywork. So thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please comment, like, subscribe, set that little alert button, and you can follow this progress with us. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on Monday.